Hello, I have a huge grill located in my back patio. I love using it, will love it, but I am just tired of cleaning it every time. Since I have a huge supplies of paved stones and brick stones that I use from a previous project that I did, I'm going to put it to use. All you need is 4 paved stones and about 10 brick stones. It's very easy. So find a flat surface in your backyard and line up at least 4 paved stones facing each other and place 2 brick stones in the middle and apply about 8 brick stones on top of each paved stones facing each other to form a square. Make sure you line them up together because this is where you're gonna place the charcoal, just like a hibachi grill. On this particular one, this is a homemade hibachi grill, which is the cheaper version and a very effective one. Believe me, you will love this one. It's time to place charcoals in the middle. This will be the quickest and cleanest way to grill. I'm using a fire starter that I got from Amazon. You can use any kind of charcoal that you like. In my case, I am using a hardwood lump charcoal. It's supposed to be environmentally friendly, and your food will not taste like lighter fluids. I can guarantee you that. Give it about 10 to 15 minutes until the charcoal is ready to use. Because of frequent movements, there will be a time where the brick stones will move. All you have to do is just adjust it using a clamper. I just love the smell of charcoal, just like going camping. On this case, we're just doing it in my backyard. It's almost ready. Using a clamper, make sure you spread all the charcoal around so the heat will be spread out. Now it's time to place the cast iron grill grates. Every time I grill, I usually like to use an oil spray to prevent your food from sticking. The menu for today is a marinated spare ribs and marinated chicken to follow. I'm beginning to like this grill now. It's functioning the same way as my other grill in my back patio. Just a tip, you can also use an outdoor ceramic base planter to function as a stove. It actually helps so your food will not get burned and it will cook better. Well, since I had the grill open, I threw in a 2 pieces of chicken. When the grill had cooled off, take off the grill, and the cleaning is a breeze. And just hose it down. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching.